All right, here we have the A&W Whistle Dog. A proud partner, I guess, with Blue Jays. So if you don't know what a whistle dog is, it's a hot dog with relish, bacon, and cheese. And in Canada here, they charge $6.50 for this, which is ridiculous. But it is good. I usually get 2 of these when I buy them. Great little lunch. And I'd say if you like hot dogs and you like A&W products, this is definitely one to try. So it says here on the back, get your whistle dog here. And the same packaging as the burgers, just shaped for the hot dog. I'd say, yeah, out of 10, I give this definitely a straight up 9 out of 10. Because the hot dog's quality, the bun, you know, really good quality, toasted fresh, the ingredients, you know, you can't go wrong. I guess that's saying you get what you pay for. Alrighty. That's it, the whistle dog.